We have the white Bengal tiger feeder.
Ano yung bakit? Good morning. Hindi kita.
iPhone. It's an iPhone.
Ilan na isi?
The biggest one is just look at the big of the eater. Let's find some. Let's find them. Master where you go? What is doing? Oh, it's a walk here.
Wow!
You are.
Big birds, ate. Ano na, big birds daw.
Dara, tiyo?
Ate.
Dara, dara. Ate!
Huh?
Hi!
Ay, do not touch the one. Sir. Picture mo lang, sir. Happy naman yung isa. Hindi nga gitu ya. He said, I want to.
He walks all the way, open and giraffe at its side. That's somebody. He pick up the crumpled paper, he walks all the way, and giraffe at its side. See, if the bird can do it, meaning when they surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diet, make sure that's right, buddy. And he pick up the letter G. Alright. How about the next one, buddy? Is it P, R, or T? So Skinners, also known as Sun Park. Alright, he passed to the first one, he goes to the second one, and he passed to the third one. So a round of applause. So our talented.
Okay, again. Okay, for the second song, let me ask first. Okay, again. Again, sing happy birthday. No, let's do sing happy birthday.
Good catch, Hunter. Now we have here again Mr. James. He is the real food or the real prey, as Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you can see, Mr. James is wearing a thick gloves to protect himself from the sharp talons of the bird.
What kind of fish is that, Lily? Doon pa ko.
Malapay sa zebra.
Katong kuan, kanang
dili man to si Lily.
You come here, Ate Lily.
Are nocturnals. Nocturnals means they're only active at night. That's because they have a poor vision at daytime. Hindi sila masyadong nakakakita sa daytime. As you can see, our trees here have scratches. That's because white lions are territorial and their way of marking their territory is through urinating and scratching the trees. So let me remind everyone here that this is Max, Jack, and Boy's territory. That ends our white lion safari adventure. For your next stop, sir, is the camels and birds of the world. You guys are very lucky.
Sige. Giraffe to, giraffe. Oh, camel, oh. What's the sound, Slee? Hi, hi.
What's the? What are you going?
Oh.
No, mag-throw.
It's a Komodo dragon. Iguana. I thought it's a Komodo dragon. Iguana don. Baho po rin mga langgama. Lee, what kind of bird is that, Lee? Sky.
Pwede na mo magpaka-oyster. Ana niya. Only 50.
Kagwang ay.
I touch your tail.
Pila mo nakabuk sila kas? Si Gregory ha? Mura na ako feeling na ako na pa mag-ilang daw sa likod.
Zebras are known to be herbivore or they love to eat plants. They spend majority of their day eating plants, leaves, and stems. Fun fact about zebras, they have a unique like fingerprint with no two animals having the same pattern. They are born with black skin with white stripes. They can also stay standing up just by locking up their joints on their knees just like horses. So again, that are the group of zebras.
Oh, not different smash.
Hold lang ang baka.
So the one that looks like a bull, it is called the wildebeest. So wildebeest are in its name, but the blue shin-coat ones who accidentally killed King Mufasa by a stampede. So they communicate through sight, smell, and vocalization. That came from the Dutch term googleis, referring to their white forehead, primarily active during the day, and in the gemsbok or the oryx gazelle. Can be identified by their long horns, which can grow up to 85 centimeters long. This by getting moisture from the plants they eat or consume.
So, why is sleeping here. There are many lions over here.
Thank you.
So tired. Look at our light up.
Base.
Lee, there is a big... Hi, Lily. How are Ligo sila din, no? Andari bong.
They're new because video.
Nanay nang itlog ani nila baywa. Nana? Sila ra gyapon kaunon. Nagara ni sila so diri apatay.
Sister. That's his sister. That's his sister. That's his sister. This is the biggest crocodile lake. This is the crocodile lake, Mama.
Okay.
This is the this is the crocodile. Look at Sia. She's so pretty. She's so tiny. Look at the sand.
Yes.
You love to play with sand, Mama. Oh, you baby. You baby one is. It's so tiny.
Okay, point your finger sa glass.
Quick. Hello. Oh, tot. Quick. It's so tiny. Where's the mother?
Ano matay? Bisud na
Yun ang marcer ko.
Ano naman siya mo?
Mumo. Tubok la.
Ano siya, pero darker lang ko yung pagka-brown.
Naman sila yung mga na sila basta kay namong gikuan nga gibutang sa dino. Wow. Is it giraffe? Is one of your favorite animal, na?
Gamay ra sig mubo ra siguro gani na ga. Sa Africa kan taas sa.
Sulod si Lily ito bisaktin din.
Timingan na libang mangyod.
Ato gali kay tuyok ni ra gyud siya puro pod.
Taas kaayo.
Hindot mo sila spot.
It's a swan, Mama. You love, and that's a duck. You What is that?
Slowly, slowly.
What's that, Mama?
Hello.
Ini pwede niya.